How to fix a known host in Minecraft launcher. Now, the steps that I'm going to be providing you are the most popular one, which is the very basic troubleshooting steps. So, of course, what you need to make sure is a stable internet connection, or at least a maximum amount of signal bars in here while entering that specific server. You also need to make sure that the server you're entering is correct, active, or online. If you have all of those things fixed, then all you have to do next is to go into your Windows icon, type in CMD, hit on enter, and make sure this is currently as an administrator. Now for this to work, all I have to do is to type in ipconfig, hit on enter, and then just simply type in /flush DNS. Once you hit on enter, just simply restart your PC, try to re-enter on that specific server again. Those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix a known host in Minecraft Launcher.